Hi there. Welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we break down science's biggest mysteries in quick 2-minute stories. Did you know over 70% of Earth is covered by oceans, but we've explored less than 20%? The ocean is a mysterious world, and oceanography is the science of unlocking its secrets. The ocean shapes our weather. Hurricanes, for example, are powered by warm ocean waters. It also gives us air to breathe. Tiny plankton in the sea produce over half of the oxygen we need. And let's talk about life. Oceans are bursting with creatures, from dazzling coral reefs to the strange glowing animals of the deep. Many of these species haven't even been discovered yet. But oceanography isn't just about discovery. It's about protecting our planet. Rising sea levels, plastic pollution, and even underwater volcanoes. Scientists study it all to keep our oceans and our Earth healthy. So next time you see the waves, imagine the incredible stories they're hiding. Maybe one day you'll help uncover them. The ocean is calling. Are you ready to dive in? If this video made you think, hit subscribe for more amazing science content. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy.